where everybody is teaching, everybody sanstha is teaching ki, oh, don't go by the maya, don't go by the material world. When everybody will stop doing material world and come back to these spiritual things, society will collapse one day.
What they mean, but they saying it in uneducated way.
That's what I'm saying.
What I by maya means, don't go by your fantasies about things.
Okay.
What I know about you as a old information, that is maya. But what you are right now is reality. Right? So what people are functioning from, maya of old memories. You can use the information, but don't try to put that, apply that on the present. Understand the present and use your old information and bring them together. You know? मैंने सोचा था कि I will get benefit of, I want to do a job or I want to make a career. Now if you start to get into fantasy, once I have this, then I will do this. But whereas being real, not following the maya means, you see practically what you need to do now about that. And then doing that is the truth. So not going by maya means not leaving the society. That's why India became poor, by the wrong education of, wrong translation of word maya. You know, maya does not mean illusion. You know what maya means? That which is, yet it is not. You see, ये है, पर अभी नहीं है. ये हर समय नया नया हो रहा है. But when I say, तुमने उस दिन, you said that yesterday, that is gone. I am something new. This is clue for healing also and good relations also. We are looking at each other as our information gathered. We are not looking at who is this woman now and respond to that. Then you will see if your girlfriend complains or not. Because you are only addressing your imagination of the person. Same way we are addressing our imagination of God and our imagination of the world. But we are not saying कि if God has made this, who are you to call it Maya and something down? So now you are disagreeing with that, right? And you want him to give you liberation also, bliss also, but you're telling this cosmos, fuck you.
Correct.
Like Eddie Murphy said, no, not Eddie Murphy, Jim Carrey.
Jim Carrey said it.
That the physical depression is that you miss your body so long, then now your body tells you, fuck you. So, Shakti is one. It takes as many forms. All forms are of Shakti. And who is Shakti? Shiva only. Shiva's vibration is Shakti. So, Shiva is dancing, dance of material, earth, cosmos. And we call it Maya. No, you are not qualified to say that. You are uneducated to say that. It is as real as anything. This is where the disaster has happened. We are not seeing the divine. We are calling it Maya. उसके लिए कोई लिबरेशन नहीं है, कोई संसार नहीं है, खाली वही है. वही भक्ति is the grand path, because you say, I don't care. I love this and I'm with you. No liberation, no sansara, but you are into some other land. In the Vrindavan. The present is a real Vrindavan. जहाँ पे वो खेल रहा है. He's playing there. But we got serious. हमारे तो क्रिकेट भी सीरियस हो गए. इतने लाख मिलेंगे, इतने $1 million मिलेंगे. So it's no more a game. But when you're playing, then he plays with you. Because he's playing.